Sa syudad ni Naga, magkatuwang ang lokal na simbahan na Naga City Popcom para itulod ang Go Natural o ng pagplano kan pamilya sa natural na paagi. Saro si Christina sa mga kababayan na nagadaptar ka nasabing programa. Si Christina, halis sa dakulang pamilya, halaga din huri sa katikapuhan na masakit na inagihan, mas gusto niya ngunyan ng planadong pamilya. Ang Go Natural o NFP, igawang apat na paagi.
The Naga City National Family Planning Council is pushing for the modern methods of national family planning. So as of the moment, we have 5. The first one is what we call the cervical mucus method. So actually, the cervical mucus method is basically observation of the characteristics of the cervical mucus every day for at least 6 months, whether the woman is fertile or not. So it's called basal body temperature method. Of course, they will be using thermometer to monitor the body temperature. And then the third one is called the synchrothermal method. It is a combination of cervical mucus method, the first one, and then the second one, the basal body temperature method. So basically, this is a combination of 2 methods. So it's called synchrothermal because aside from the temperature, we also have other symptoms like, of course, the characteristics of the cervical mucus and other observations like breast tenderness, pain, or itchiness, or dizzy spells. So all of those. So that's why it's called synchrothermal method. Now, the fourth one is called lactational amenorrhea method, or basically it's called breastfeeding method. Now, LAM or lactational amenorrhea method could also be a natural family planning method, but this is a short-term method.
Sigun sa datos kan UP Population Institute as in kan PCPD o ang Philippine Center for Population and Development, haros kakadikit po sana ang porsyentahe kan mga kababayan na may pagkasabot manungod sa NFP.
Dikit pa lang nag-accept ka ng natural family planning sa barangay ninyo.
Minsan po kaya masakit din na maintindihan ang pinapaliwanag.
Ano pa?
Bakit hindi ba little body temperature? Nalidipiti lang sila mag-intindi.
Iba man ang rason kanamiga ni Christina na si Ophel, hali sa dakulang pamilya at sinagdadakol naman ang mga aki.
Napapasalang bilang surbol. Kaya naapatan.
Si Christina nahali ng kasal sa sayang mister, igwapo sa ng sarong aking lalaki, asin kontento sa presenteng kamugtakan nindang pamilya.
Siyempre po, gusto ko po permission, pero dapat po, gusto, lalo na po sa matatanda.